EGR's cab spoiler for your 2019 and up Dodge Ram is designed and manufactured to OEM standards with the highest quality materials on the market. Installation is simple and doesn't require any drilling or modification to your truck. You can simply fit it and quit it. These basic hand tools are all you need to complete the installation. Please note, you'll need to wait 4 hours after the completion of the install before driving your vehicle to ensure the adhesive is bonded to the outside of your vehicle. Start the installation by washing your vehicle's cab with a mild soap and water solution, rinsing with water, and drying by hand once the surface has been thoroughly cleaned of all dirt and debris. Test fit the spoiler onto your vehicle's cab to get a good idea of where it needs to sit. Clean the area of the cab where the spoiler will sit with isopropyl alcohol and allow the area to dry. Align the cab spoiler centrally on the roof, ensuring there is equal spacing around the brake light. Place masking tape on the roof, aligning the edge of the masking tape to each end on the cab spoiler. Peel back approximately 2 inches of tape liner from each of the tape sections and fold the protective liner at 45 degrees to the outside of the cab spoiler. Tape all peeled back sections of tape liner to the outside of the cab spoiler using masking tape and completely remove the noted tape sections. Clean the channel running along the inside edge of the spoiler with isopropyl alcohol and wipe the area dry with a clean cloth. Carefully apply a 1/4 inch wide bead of the adhesive into the channel along the inside edge of the entire part. Ensure the adhesive does not come into contact with the tape. Using the marked position on the masking tape from earlier as a guide, carefully align the cab spoiler to the roof. Apply only light pressure for initial install. Failure to do so could result in the tape liner stretching or snapping when removing. Once the spoiler is correctly positioned, remove the tape liner from the cab spoiler. Press and rub the cab spoiler down along attachment points approximately 5 times with a dry, clean cloth, then remove the masking tape from the roof. You will need to allow 4 hours for the adhesive to properly adhere to your vehicle before driving. Now your vehicle's paint is protected and it looks better than ever thanks to EGR's high-quality, simple-to-install, no drilling required cab spoiler.